Hey, what's up guys, I'm Thomas from ABGT, and as I told you earlier, if you buy this Honor Band 5 from India, you won't get more features that is actually built in it. Okay, one of the problem was the watch faces. You won't be able to download more watch faces into this watch if you live in India. Like this wallpaper, and this wallpaper, you won't get this much wallpapers. You will only get 5 default wallpapers. You won't be able to download it. Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can eventually download all the wallpapers still living in India and use all the features. So let's get started. Before getting into the process, I want to explain why this happens. Okay, if you buy this Honor Band 5 from India or from outside India, you will get the same watch. And what is the problem? Actually, the problem is with the HUAWEI Health app. Actually, if you download the HUAWEI Health app from India, you won't get more access to the features. Okay, if we manage to get the HUAWEI Health app that is used outside India and get it working in India, then we will get all the features in our watch. So here is it's done. Okay guys, this is an app that I installed from the India, the HUAWEI Health app, and as you notice, there is no kind of watch faces option in this application. Okay, I have paired my Honor Band 5 to this application and there is nothing like a watch face option. Okay, so I will show you guys how you can eventually get that application. Now what you need to do is go and uninstall the app, and after that go to this website, that is HUAWEI Cloud. Okay, the link will be provided in the description. You can directly go and install go to the website. Okay, now what you have to do is to create a new account. Click on register. Okay, now you will get a interface like this, and what here you need to do here is to fill this, but before filling, wait there and you will see an option for region/country. You don't need to make it as India, you just need to make it as UK or any other country. And here you need to put the verification, what is written on the picture on the side. I think it is WKF2. Yeah, it's right. And here you will see an option for the email. I have put my email, and also for safety purpose I have entered my password before, and you can see you will get an option of putting email, and here you will get email code, and what you need to do is click on get code, and now a code is sent to your email. So go to your email and you can see here you got a code. Yeah, you can see here a code. You need to copy the code and go to there and paste it right here, and you need to enter the password and also confirm your password, and here you need to put your date of birth. Okay, date of birth, and yeah, luckily it is done. And now you need to click on register and click on agree. And click on skip. You can either enter your phone number also. I'm not entering. Okay, now you are thing is ready. And what you need to do is go to the Play Store and install Huawei and you will see an option for Huawei mobile services. Click on that and just install it. You won't get an option to open the application, it will just install in your phone. It is about 33 MB setting. Yeah, I'll skip this part. Okay, now the app has installed, and as I told you earlier, there is no option for opening. You just need to install it on your phone. And now what you have to do is install the Huawei Health app. Okay, I have just backed it up on my extender, so I will download it directly from there. Yeah, just install. Installing. Just wait. Yeah, the app installed, and now open the app. Before opening app, you just need to make okay, close the app. Okay, you just need to put your phone in flight mode before turning on. Okay, and now you can turn on your Wi-Fi. Okay, you can still use your Wi-Fi while on flight mode. And now open Huawei Health app. Click on next. Yeah, now you will get a new option, like they will ask you to log in with Huawei ID. Click on login, and as I told you earlier, here it will automatically show United Kingdom. Okay, keep it like that and click on next. And here you need to enter the password and email address that you have already created an account. Okay, here I will put my email. Okay, now I need to put the password. I will skip this section for safety purpose. Yeah, I have written the password also. Now just click on login. I'll click on allow, and now it will be logging in. Wait for it. Okay, now the app is ready. Click on allow, and now you need to add pair the band with this for this application. Okay, they will ask you to enable Bluetooth, and wait for searching for devices. Guys, now it will be showing the pairing. Wait for the pairing to complete. Okay, I think that is not the right device. Okay, now you need to turn off your flight mode because Bluetooth won't work in that. Now click on retry, click on cancel, and you will see an option for honor band 5 and 4. Click on pair. Yeah, okay, it's showing here, and pairing honor band 5. Okay, click on continue, and loading. Okay, you can also turn on the notification to show on your smart band. I'm skipping this part right now, and click on allow and allow. And as I have told earlier, now you are getting a new option for the watch faces. As you can see here, new option, you can click on more, and you can also install many more new watch faces. For loading, yeah, you can see here you can get a lot of watch faces right here. You can just click on and install the watch faces in your smart band. Okay, so this is how you unlock all the features of your smart band living in India itself. Okay, I hope you guys like this video, and if you're new to my channel, then spread your love by clicking on the subscribe button, and share, comment, and like the video if you like this video. So I'm Avinos from RBGT, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.